I'm Dr. Jagdish Shah from Bombay, a senior physician, and today I would like to give you a different perspective of modern medicine compared to our ancient medicine, that is yoga and meditation. Friends, you all must have known about yoga and meditation, but of late, our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has put it in limelight and a broader perspective on a roadmap of India and the world. So you must be knowing about this, and it has been quite amplified in recent years. The benefits of this particular old Indian science, that is yoga and meditation. Friends, we are living in a very complex world full of stress and strain. And this stress and strain is springing out of local wars, even the wars between the countries, and this particular issues of tsunamis and earthquakes and so many natural forces as well as human-made issues has given rise to a complex situation where we live in with full of stress and strain. Friends, as you know, the difference between living and non-living is the mind. So mind controls everything, and that can give rise to a lot of physical and psychological disorders. And these disorders gives rise to a complex mortality and morbidity, causing blood pressure, causing diabetes, causing renal failure, causing liver failure, and especially pushing the patients into ICCUs and hospitals where the treatment costs a hell. So friends, if you have to avoid all these complications of life, or rather we should resort right from the beginning to our ancient sciences called yoga and meditation. This yoga and meditation, they are reset button of our life. So as we reset our computers, we reset our life, and this reset can be done and should be done and should be practiced regularly with yoga and meditation at least 30 to 45 minutes per day. Now, you'll say that how to get that time in this present situation of a fast life. So I would suggest all of you, and I would amply request all of you, that your heart is beating 24/7 for you to live properly, healthily. So if your heart is not getting tired, why should you get tired, and why should you not give your body those 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes to live life healthily and to protect your heart, which is protecting you 24/7 throughout your life. So you have to incorporate, whether you like it or not, to remain healthy, because finally the whole idea of life is to remain healthy till our last breath. So friends, if you have to reset this particular button of your life, of your health, along with medicine or other without medicine, if you have to live, try and use this particular ancient sciences of yoga like Chakrasana and Vakrasana and Bhujangasana and kind of asanas where you can have Muktasana as well as you can have pranayam 10 to 15 minutes a day, and Surya Namaskar. All these asanas will help you to control your sugar, to control your diabetes, to control your cholesterol, and finally will try and see to it that your coronary arteries are not blocked, which are the main cause of your heart attack and stroke and peripheral arterial diseases. So friends, you have to understand that yoga is an exercise for your body to calm your mind, and at the same time, meditation is an exercise for your mind to calm your body. And if you can do all these things together and sink yourself into this particular science and follow it properly every day without fail, I personally feel as a doctor that you can avoid my treatment and avoid yourself going into ICCUs and hospitals. I wish you, all of you, a very, very happy and healthy yoga day. Thank you very much.
Joining the feet together, knees together, toes together, keeping the hands together in Pranam Asana. Let's begin. Take a deep inhalation, pushing the navel away, raise the arms up in Ardha Chakrasana. Gaze slightly up, try to take your hands back, feel your back working. And exhale, full forward fold. Uttana Asana, fingertips in line with your toes, look towards your toes. You can keep your knees straight or bend, whatever is okay for you. If you're comfortable, forehead relaxed towards the shin. Let's be here for a few seconds. Observe the changes and the reverse blood flow in the body. Now inhale, we'll take the right leg back, back knee down to Ashwasanchalan. Chest connected to the knee, chin slightly up. Feel a good stretch in your pelvic here. And exhale, we'll tuck the right toe, take the left leg back to plank position. Full body parallel to the floor, shoulder and wrist in one line, core engaged. Now slowly inhale, take a deep breath in plank here. And exhale, slowly put the knees down and chest between the palms to Ashtanga Namaskar. Your chin, chest, palms, knees and toes touching the floor here. This is a very good posture for improving hormonal health, especially your thyroid health. Now slowly inhale from the front, relax your toes and sliding up to Bhujangasana. Make sure you're not shrugging your shoulders, shoulders are rolled back. Elbows can be straight or bent. Observe your back working, observe the changes in your body here. And now exhale, tuck the toes, knees back, hip up to Parvatasana, mountain posture, body making a beautiful V posture. Try to keep your heels down, you can bend your knees if you'd like. Look towards your toes, go deeper. And now inhale, bringing the right foot forward between your palms to Ashwasanchalan again. Back knee down, back to relaxed. Chin up, look forward, feel a good stretch in your pelvic. And as you exhale, tuck the left toe again, bring it forward in between your palms to Uttanasana, fingertips and toes in one line. Relaxing the forehead, taking the forehead to the shin. Go deeper, allow your body to surrender. You can bend your knees if you'd like. Now very slowly inhale, lengthening the spine, raising the arms up, pushing the navel away to Ardha Chakrasana. And exhale, bringing the hands to the heart center and slowly release and relax your hands.